This is a bunny hop. It's very useful for hopping onto things and also off. And this is a foot jam.
I am Sean from the BMX Guy 582, and I have a Fit Park 1 from 2009 that's almost fully custom. So let's start off with the frame. It's just the stock Park 1 frame. The rims are both stock. I got this tire. It's a Kenda Contact, I'm pretty sure. And this is a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. The stock cranks, blue animal plastic pedals, got a Fit Rasta sprocket, new brake cable, new brake thingy mabobber. I have a purple Demolition pivotal seat post and a red Fit plastic seat, very comfy. I have the stock front tire. I have a Fit Blade Light forks. I have the Fit Down Low stem. Orange Eastern bar, or not Eastern, nitrous, yeah. And then some white Fit Cleveland grips. And I like my pegs on the left side so it doesn't interfere with the crank and the sprocket. So, I'll see you next time.
Your computer broken, or do you need help with your iPhone or other devices? Well, check out the Apple Guy 582 for reviews, tutorials, and unboxings.